I did not invite you here to come and fight. I expected you to respect and honor the throne of our ancestors.
Every time. My Igwe, I'm very sorry, but this
I did not expect you to explain.
Igwe, I'm very sorry. This will never repeat itself.
Ichebeze,
Your Highness.
You were saying something about the madman on the land and whatever. I need you to continue.
Igwe, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a rude man. Igwe, I'm sorry. We need to act very fast before something that has been given to us will be taken away from us. Dada is a gift given to us by the gods of this land. We need someone that will stand up to that evil counselor, law by law, and connection to connection. Igwe, we must bring our barrister back fast before they brainwash her head and make her to forget this community. We need her so much. She has a lot to do for us. Our land that has been collected by the neighboring villages all around, we must retrieve them back. Igwe, we need to start the process immediately. Now that we have our own community barrister, a brilliant one for that matter.
Thank you so much, Ichemezi. You have a good point there. Majesty. But what I want you to realize is that there are procedures in everything that we do. Do not forget that she needs to go for her NYSC and then proceed to the law school.
All right, Your
Majesty. Your Majesty, but you know how this thing works in our country. With connection, we can influence the NYSC to post her down here to our village. She can do her service here in our school. That will enable her to teach our young youths and influence them also to be useful.
That's a good idea. Then in that case, even before her youth service and the law school program, we need to bring her to the community. Make her have a sense of belonging. And that sense of our own community lawyer.
You are correct.
Yes, you are correct. And I think we will now achieve what you were trying to say.
That is it.
No one can steal that from us. From us.
Right, you're right. Your Highness! Your Highness!
I will. We have
She must come.
Chai! Chineke! Hi! Which kind of nonsense do with this one? Hi! Nah, my village masquerade just they pursue me for drill. They ask me for my certificate. They ask me why I never come back village. The masquerade nearly flogged me joy, no?
Masquerade? They ask you for certificate?
Imagine.
And I pay school fee for you.
Jomo? Eh? Which kind of dream be this? I hope say no be spiritual problem I won't enter so. Because me I no get head to carry any nonsense. Make it remain the one way there my head already. Wetin come even carry me come this school? Wetin carry me come here? If those I dey my uncle mechanic workshop, they do the job where I like jejely. Eh? Shebi I for no enter this kind of wahala na.
Wait. Dada, you been mechanic before?
I was working in my uncle's mechanic workshop now. Very fine job. Hey, I did enjoy for that place, I tell you. I did pocket 8 penny every day. 8,000. Some days I dey make more than that too.
8,000 for pocket money every day. Ha! You know say this is now around 240,000 naira a month. Yes now.
Don't calculate that, no.
240,000 naira a month. What is gonna bring you comes to make all the learning say you won't go study law? How many lawyers will you know where they earn 240k every month?
Money no be everything. I tell you, Okachi. Now when I begin work there, now I come realize say, no matter the money where you get, if you no pay educated, come get connection. Eh? You dey poor. You dey poor.
How can somebody be rich and poor at the same time?
Money no dey discriminate. As you dey so, you fit jam money anytime, any day. And money fit still jam you anytime, any day. But now how you take handle that money when two of una jam together, now you go come determine whether that money go stay for your hand or you go die for your head.
Dada, this is where it talks so deep.
I can see something.
It's your story, I would like listen to that. I want to learn.
Dada, I don't tell you make you know the enter on that motor to walk. You can't be this one now. I beg, come on. Dada, come out there, I beg. Come out. You can't be this one.
I don't understand. I'm gonna wait till now.
I don't tell you make you know the enter on that motor to walk. Dada, you can't be this one now. Not dey stress yourself for this workshop. The workshop na your own because they're my own. Eh? You my sister pikin. Don't dey worry yourself all this while. Anything when you do, small work, I go pay you as I supposed to pay you.
Uncle, you dey pamper me too much now, and I no like am. I came here to train as a mechanic, not be to come begin work as your niece now. If I don't learn this work like this, I won't take learn anything. Eh? See, I don't come work beside I don't come work. So allow me to do the work where I come from. See, you see this word where you see, it is not for the weak, it is not for the lazy, and it is not for the over-pampered.
Yeah, I know that one. But at least, this one be say, now your place be this one, eh? Now your workshop. Now my own, I don't tell you before. Small work where you go do, I go pay you. But when you dey struggle, pull, okay, see where you go enter now. You go just the enter, bah, I don't like my bed.
Me too, I don't like am. You dey cage me too much. If I not do this work, how I want to learn? If you continue this thing where you dey do, now be say I go old for this place. 10 years, I never learn anything. Me, we won't learn everything sharp. So I go get my own mechanic workshop, begin collect plenty money like you. You just dey spoil show for me. I don't like am. I don't like am at all. You try to do this work. Good afternoon, sir.
Where's your boss?
Sir, you say?
I said, where's your boss? Why are you looking at me as if you're daft and you can't understand what I'm saying?
You call me daft? As in you call me daft?
Yeah.
Oga, you come here to work your car? Or you dey look for who to do super competition with? Eh?
Are you really a human being or you're some kind of local robber?
Chineke me. Oga, they play with you. As in, you walk into person shop, you begin to insult them. Hey! Oga, when you walk into this place, you see say I dey busy, they do something. I even listen to you because I been thinking say you get sense. Say you come here and make you walk your car like normal human being. But the way why they look you now, they see you. It be like say you just escaped from Yaba left. Then they treat mad people for here. Na car with the walk. They hear me so? So when you are tired of biting your tongue, all in the name of super speaking nonsense English, you carry yourself and that your jaga car out of this place. You don't get that kind of time to begin to look person when no get sense at all, when no get common respect. Nonsense. What?
Gosh! She just walked out of me. What the fuck? Huh? Dada? Huh?
This guy be this. Who get the guy? Dada idiot wey dey there.
Hey!
Na him get am.
Dada, I beg. No just insult my customer. No put your mouth in insult. Hey! My customer.
Which customer? No worry. Just go there, go meet am. You sef go know say that one na confirm were be that. Foolish man.
Dada, why you do like this now? Okay. How? Wetin dey worry the car?
Na minor case, I don fix am.
You don fix am? You buy any spare parts?
I collect a fuel pump from Ghanaian shop.
The man give you money to.
Which one? That one? That one wey dey there since carry newspaper cover him face. Yeah! You see this one na goat. Even when I go meet am, ask am make he give me money, make I go buy the fuel pump. He not even talk to me. He carry newspaper, cover face like say na only and dey this Naija. Anyway, shebi I don work the car finish. I dey wait for am. Moya bill, mmemwe. I dey wait now. I go give am bill wey go make that American abi Swahili accent wey he get disappear.
Okay, wait. Might go meet am. Might go meet am. Don't worry.
If you go there, no bill am o. Na me work the car.
Wetin concern me with bill? Na you work am, na you know wetin you work, na you know wetin you change. I will go meet am. But when he come, na you go give am bill. Yeah? You no need money.
I need money now.
You collect the money where you take everything. Collect, put on top. Might go meet am first.
Foolish man.
Bros. Diane, get come now, one. Diane.
Hey! You just put your filthy hands on me? Hello? Don't try that again.
Hey! Get go and cast it. Don't say, Ama, you know how to understand.
Wait a minute. Did you just speak that your local irritating language to me? Hey, I could put you in jail. I'm going to sue you. I don't care how much it costs me. Okay? But if you speak that your local irritating language before me again, I'm going to sue you. Sue your ass.
Dada! Dada! Dada,
Hey. Did you just call this your local malfunctioning robot for me again? Yeah. I'll sue both of you.
Dada.
Okay? I'm going to sue both of you.
Where did you bring this madman from?
Uncle, I tell you before, say this one na pure were. Sure you dey see am with your eyes now. Were raised to power 2, now you dey see so. What?
Hey. Did you just insult me? See, I'm not going to take any insult from any of you, okay? I'm a practicing lawyer, a barrister, and attorney practicing for the past 12 years in the UK. You think you can insult me? Listen, I got money and I got contacts. I'm going to whisk your uncle away into the thin air in a twinkle of an eye. Just try me.
You never reach like that, eh? Wait, you say you be barrister for UK?
Hey,
Chero,
no question.
Are you listening to him? No tell me say you believe anything though. This one na pure 419. Which lawyer? Look in here, look as he dey. How this kind person? You no go even fit be lawyer here. Talk more of UK.
No talk like that. No talk like that. See, person when they talk Oyibo like Queen of England, you say you no be lawyer. This kind of person.
Listen to me. I've heard it up to here. All right? Listen, I'm going to change few of my pounds to your valueless naira, and before you know it, I'll have a bunch of good lawyers at my beck and call, and I'll put both of you in jail. Okay? Now listen. I'm an international man. I have contacts, I have money. I'm going to engage the services of the DSS. I'm going to take him away. You will never see him again.
But you want to put us in trouble? See, barrister, lawyer, UK. Barrister, you never did like that. But see, what I just want to talk. Just pay us.
What?
Pay us and go.
I should do what?
Pay us now.
Pay your ass for what?
For
what?
We do for you.
What did you do for me? I should pay you for violating my fundamental human right as enshrined in the Constitution? You must be kidding me.
I talk am. All this English way they blow here and I make you no pay. I tell you say na 419. Oga, no try me oh. Just give me my money.
You still insulting me. Just wait until I get to that car and get my phone. I'm gonna put. Listen to me. I'm gonna put some call across. Before you know it, you'll be in jail, both of you.
How big is this done?
You don't know what's coming.
Don't give us our money.
Wait until I make some calls. Let me get my phone.
I
put you in
jail. Make the call together.
No. Yeah. Okay. Just send them over. Yeah, I'm waiting.
Customer, not be like that. It never is like that. No. Customer, I beg. It never is like this. You want Inspector General? Yeah. You want kill me? I beg. You go settle it. You see this now small matter. You go settle. I beg.
You want to settle? You want to settle. But your local malfunctioning robot over here doesn't want to settle. She wants some problem.
No, I want to settle. There's no point now. Which one be to carry us go police? I beg, no verse. We are sorry.
Whoa. I thought you pretended all along not to understand my British accent. So how come you understand my threat?
I hear English now. At least I go school, I finish secondary school, so I know what you talk. But this police where you talk now, I know say nothing good there for police, Nigerian police. So no verse, no carry us go there.
I beg. Just no matter what.
But what thing we do? We
That is the problem now. Wait. What will be our crime for inside this matter now?
You don't know what you did?
What did I do?
You want to know? This robot over here replaced my fuel pump and put a fake one without my permission.
But Oga, come meet you now. I tell you before I change them.
What was my response to you?
You don't talk anything. You just get there, they read newspaper.
Beautiful. She asked me, I didn't say anything to her. She went ahead to replace my fuel pump. Do you know how much that fuel pump cost me? I bought it in the UK. Do you know the cost of that fuel pump can fix your life forever?
That good.
We don't wait to be a problem now. You want to settle this matter? You still carry bad mouth, took your long man. You want to scatter around. Wait till they worry you. My brother, I beg no price. Yeah? Okay, you know what will happen now? Take the money. Yeah? Take the fuel from where we don't put. Take everything. In fact, the handwork. Take everything. Take. I beg. No price. Now we just leave it like that. Yeah? And that's so it be.
Listen to me. I'm going to go somewhere now. Somewhere very cool and cool off. Alright? And then think about your offer. But if I'm not cool with it or your offer, I'm going to come back. Alright? I'll be back. What the police on you? When you go to jail, you know how to respect someone from the
Bros!
Hey! Which kind of wahala be this one now? Wait, so we work for person finish, suffer, work for person finish. Workmanship money, we no collect. Money for parts where we change, we no collect. So what we go come tell you go now where we collect fuel pump from?
If this man go police, come back, carry you go prison, you go tell you go and say you go, you dey prison. Look at you. Just pray say make the man no change his mind. Come back here with police. Who you go now? You go now fit send a meter. I beg go do what you dey do. But we just pray say the man no come back here with police. Hey! What kind of witch is this? This is witchcraft. Witchcraft. My village people. My village people. No problem. Let me go. Let me. Come. Did you remove the other weapon from this? Hey, Hi. You're already imbibing the implementation, like we used to say in those days. Hey. See, today is a very, very happy day. No. Let me. I prefer taking it direct from the bottom. Yeah. Aye. You see, Dada, today is a very special day for us.
Honestly.
Very special day. Huh? All the people we work for. That man that owns that company that gave us trouble. Please, when he comes back, whether I am there or not, tell him that he has to add 10K for us. We change the oil seal and we change the brake part. All of them amounted to 10K. Those are workmanship. Don't forget to, please don't forget.
I don't go forget.
Collect the money for him if I'm not there.
Uncle, you see today, Uncle, we suppose they pray make every day the day like today. Now good people that fill our shop. Now we work for. See money, people where we charge 16K, they give us 20K. People where we charge 20K, they give us 22K. You sure say better people see there for this country. I tell you, better people.
Better people do. Better people there. Only say they see they are very small, Evil people they their own.
Evil people like that super lawyer. Very wicked man. Now God will punish him.
Why you want to spoil my day now? You want to spoil this thing? What they think? I beg. Just forget that useless lawyer. I beg.
Yeah.
Make I enjoy my drink.
I don't say na fear make you talk this thing now.
No, I just tell you.
You can fear.
Make I enjoy my drink.
The only thing you know they fear na motor. Too much.
Dada, let's finish so we can go back to Hey. Surprised to see me? Oh. Obviously, you've made some good money today because you've eaten and you're picking your teeth. That's okay, that's good. Moisa, I like it. With
Barrister,
good afternoon.
You nearly jam us.
What did she just say? Whoa. What did you just call me now? Barrister Super what? You better caution her. Well, whatever. I'm not here to waste my legal time, alright? I'm here to serve you a court order. Yeah, I called Barrister Zeal of the United Kingdom Court. I was with him on the phone a few hours ago. And I informed him that you guys violated my fundamental human right and looted my foreign oil pump. And guess what? He issued a very swift judgment with consequential orders that are clearly irrevocable. I know you don't understand that.
Barrister, I beg, this bobo gumbi, I don't understand anyone when you talk. If you could just break and bang, bring her down, make I, I don't know what they talk.
You don't understand?
I don't know what
you don't understand, right? Wait for me, by the time I'm back, you
awesome. Hey.
Yeah, have it. It's a copy of the judgment. Alright? For violating my fundamental human right and looting my oil pump, the court has ordered you that you pay me $30,000 every other week for 6 months, or you go to jail for 6 years.
What kind of wicked judgment is that? What? No, what kind of wicked judgment is that? Is that how you people behave? How can somebody give that kind of order? Yeah, the person did not hear from us. Before you give that order, you hear from the accused. How can the judge sit down there and now order us to be paying you 30,000 naira every week when we go to jail for 6 months?
For content of the court.
That will be paying him 30,000 naira every week.
Yeah.
30,000 every week.
That's what's up.
For how many days?
For 6 months.
6 months.
We go to jail for 6 months.
Hey.
Nah.
Where will get 30,000 to pay you? Okay. Well, how much will they make in a week? Okay, now we don't work for you. You don't pay us. It's not trouble where you carry come. Don't be trouble where you carry come.
I don't have anything to say.
Hey, customer. Hey, customer.
You think I'm kidding? You kidding with me?
You never reach like
you
that.
Kidding with me?
You never reach for you to come out. Go. What do you want to do again? This one what you do, never do. This one don't do now. You know what thing we will do, we will give you 15,000.
What?
15.
No. I'm not cut out for that, okay? I'm not cut out for that. What's 15? No. Are you kidding with me? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna make sure you go to jail, especially you. Matter, yeah.
Let's see the talk. You go.
What you saying?
15 now.
You still saying that 15?
Okay, how much you want?
Make it 25.
25, 30, don't be the same thing. Don't be the same thing now. What is the talk? Okay. Maybe we'll make them 20.
You're not serious.
20 now, 20. We'll go.
Wait. Listen, do you have 20 there?
I think you
have 20,000 there? I'll manage it. All right? Just get it. I just want to pity you. All right? I don't want to have pity on you. And not for that one. If it's for you, I'll make sure you go to jail. All right? For 6 years. 6 years you're going to languish in jail. All right? And I'm just looking at your uncle with pity. Is it complete?
Counter.
Listen to me. If I don't have time to count this money here, if I get home and I count this money, if it's not complete, I'm going to charge you for fraud. And you criminal.
Or soon. Dada! Don't spoil. Wait, just do what I asked you. Hold on, no, that is not.
Uncle, you think I've known?
This place is here and this place is here. You know, that is why it is connected and disconnected. So hold on. Let me finish. Look at it. Go and start the motor. Give her a key. Start the motor. Quickly. Start it. There it is. Start now. Okay. Fire more. Okay. It's okay now. It's okay. Calm down.
I like you.
Thank you, ma'am. I like it.
Oh. So what's your name?
My name is Dada.
Dada.
Actually, my name is Daniela Daniel, but I can't come out 2 letters from my first name and 2 letters from my surname.
Wow, impressive. I love the name.
Thank you.
You're doing great. Well done.
Dada, go and get me 16-17 panna. Spanner. 16-17, not 16-18, no. 16-17, please. Hold it, make madam go. Time, they go.
Well
She don't try
done.
well.
Thank you.
Sorry, yeah?
No, it's fine. Fine.
Hey, it's Mayday. Where are they? Where the heck are these 2 miscreants? Where's my money? You better get your ass here right now and come out with my money. Hey, you come over here. Where's my money? You want to waste my time?
Listen, man, you don't tear my clothes. You can tear my clothes, but what's in there?
I need my fucking money. Hey, come on, move.
What's going on? And why are you harassing them at their place of work?
Hey, Dada of whatever you call yourself, I want you to go in there right now and get my money before I make you and your uncle in jail for life. All right?
What money is he talking about, Dada? Are you people owing him money?
No, we know they owe him. He bring 1 paper. Contact say 1 court for UK. Say make we dey give him 30,000 every week. Now he come for, and we don't get 30K what we don't give him this week. We never work well.
A court order from the UK.
Now waiting in talk.
Yeah. From the UK.
Do you have a copy of that court order?
Yes, ma'am.
Please let me have a look at it.
You know what? Whatever. Matter here.
1 more step from you and I'll blow your brains off.
Please. It has not gotten to this. Biko, please.
You will stay right there till she comes with the documents.
Mama, na joke now, na joke. And they follow them, they joke here. Ask her now, ask her. They come here, they crack joke with she and her uncle. We will crack joke, I go come, I go go.
These are not court documents.
It's
fake.
Fake!
Hey!
Uncle!
My name is Inspector Judy
Come
from
on!
the Area Command.
It's fake!
You have 30 seconds to tell me why you've been taking money from this people. I blow your
Hey, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Come on, na joke. She and her uncle are my friends now. Boy. Uncle. Uncle Beggar now, you are my brother.
I thought I'm pure worry. We cross the toll gate.
Because I'm up Moibo. Uncle Moibo. It's one family fine Okoye.
You are under arrest for fraud. Whatever you say here will be used against you. That I get my phone.
I am better than this one. Chineke. You want baby?
Hello, Inspector Dele. Yes, I need backup. I'm at Alpha by Keys along DLA Road. Yes. Send me men from your command right now. Mister, please step aside.
So you're a thief? Uncle, I told you. How can a lawyer in the UK have this kind of hair? Other possible. Look at this one. Now for me.
Ah, Dada, you supposed to study mechanical engineering. That one for better for you. For better for you, where.
I know. But now my mama, she no agree. She said she wants me to be the first lawyer in our village. Hey! Frustration nearly killed me. I know they drink before now. I know they smoke. I know they even pass where they do those kinds. Now this thing now put me into frustration. You see the first year where I enter. Hey! Now so lecturer go stay, they talk, they lecture, I go they look up. Fick him, I know they hear. I know they understand. Go tell me like say they speak Arabic. Hi! I call my mama. After it don't happen for some time, I know say, I know go fit do. I call my mama. I tell her say, I know go fit do this thing. Say I know they understand what these people they do for here. She begin cry.
Cry pa.
Better cry, yo. They wail, they shout. Say I want kill him. Say I want disgrace him. Whether I want bring shame for his face. Say everybody for village don't they call him a barrister, mama lawyer. Say I want make village people laugh at. Say for meeting, say no go get mad to talk again. Hey! That's how I go back. Frustration. Double. I even enter depression. Until I come meet one guy like that, we can introduce me to weed and drinking. Now I take the cool myself down anytime my head full. You don't even understand how bad this thing is. You get 1 year, I nearly kill myself.
Wow.
Eh?
No. God no can make you do that one, I beg.
I nearly kill myself. Hi! I fail. First year, I fail. Result, even myself, it shame me.
Didn't fear you.
Second one, I fail. Even our registrar come call me for an office. Begin advise me, say, make I find another course good. Say this law no be for you. You say, even if I go do food and nutrition, say it go better for me. Or Igbo BK. Now I tell her, say, if I try that one, say make you just sew the cloth where you go take come burial for my house, say my mama go die.
Hey.
You see this one, wife, eh? This last one. You know they do to me, oh. He's just like, I don't know what I go tell my mama again. I don't tire.
Mama Ikechi, your registration fee na 25,000.
25,000 for registration fee? It's too much now. How much that I go collect when she comes back? It's too much.
25,000 too much. Do you think it's easy to defend case in court? No. Do you think it's easy? Do you know how much we spend in training Dada in school? See, I don't want to drag him. Your money now last 20,000. 20k. If you don't want to come out, me that person.
Sorry, I beg. Make I give you 10,000. I will bring 5,000 later. I beg. I beg. Now only wait till I get. I will give you 10,000. No. I will bring 5,000 later.
With the equation now, if you give me 10,000 now, you owe me 5,000.
I will give you.
Can't be 15,000. I just want to help you. If I agree now, I help. I want to help you because I just say this mama, she should be better person. Men looking at you, you be better person. But you know me say, if you don't pay me that 5,000 with the man, if you see me for you, you see dash me.
I go dash you.
Bring the 10,000.
Make I give you 10,000.
They know they reject me.
I want you to register the case immediately so that I go take care of it when she comes back.
You know me say, when you pay the 5,000 balance, anytime you see me for you, dash me money.
I go dash you. I go dash you.
Now which I know to play with that.
I go dash you. I want to make you register the case so that I go take care of it.
I don't register now. Just give me money.
Okay. Thank you. I will give you the price. It's complete.
Wait. No need to tell me. Let me go count am.
Now correct money I give you.
Yeah. Complete. They go. No worry.
Thank you.
No hold me, oh.
No, I go give you 5k. I go bring a letter.
No, just say 5k. Anytime you see me, see that money.
No problem. I go dash you. Bye.
Next.
I dey greet.
Mother, you don't need to greet. You don't need to excuse me. You just give me money.
No. I want to register our case.
Una.
Yes.
Una.
For market women now.
When you see on a journey, but it's written us with a young hand. Cancel. boss. Oh, cancel, 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 cancel. With the high rate of tax, if you no gree.
Where did you get all that money from? Answer me before I descend on you. Where did you get the money from? Izubegori? No, have you turned into an armed robber?
Mama, which armed robber? Which armed robber? See, I made this money with my clean hands.
Which hands?
People are already coming to register their case for Dada to handle when she comes back. So this money is made from their registration.
Wait. So this rumor that I'm hearing is true. Did they collect money from people to register their cases for Dada to handle when she comes out?
Mama, I need to do the right thing by arranging cases for her to handle when she comes so that it will be easy for her.
Do you know you're very wicked? Double collection. You collect from people first to register their cases for Dada. And then when Dada is finally here, you still collect money for her to work on the cases. It's wicked. You have no conscience.
Mama, nothing is free in this country. Nothing is free. Where were they when we were paying Dada's school fees?
Oh, that's not we. Unable we. You and who paid Dada's school fees? No, how did you pay Dada's school fees?
Mama, I contributed more than money. Yes, I contributed a lot.
Which is?
I sacrificed my education, my future. I have to drop out of school just for Dada to finish up. Now it's the time for me to reap what I sow.
Nenu, great reaper. They kicked you out of school in case you've forgotten. I say I had to rap. Open like a cable. You kept telling.
Mama,
they kicked you out.
It is me that work hard. Nobody kicked me.
Which leg did you use in walking out?
Mama, let me count my money in peace. I made mistake now.
There's no way you will count this money in peace, my friend.
Mama, you better find a way to make money. Mama, shift. Did I leave anyone?
Bobo didn't say. Bobo didn't sing in here no go. Bobo singing here no go.
I have to start cutting again. Mama, I don't like all this. Are you going inside or let me go to backyard? Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, you are going to the backyard. Mama, let me be in this house.
In short, Yamo can wait. Let's discuss the division formula. What am I getting from that thing?
Even granite, you know if you buy for this.
As I bring Gary, why you no bring granite?
No be your house are there.
I beg you, see you. This is the last food where they this house. You hear me, no? You will drink it one finish. You don't finish here.
So you mean say our last supper will take like this?
Last supper for my own house. When we chop and finish, Coco, go your own. Go chop the same way they did.
Go where? Go my house. I'm not telling you nothing in the house. Oh, nothing in that lodge. Nothing. If you go there, you don't even see. Even all the whole rats, they're hungry now. And you know, I don't feel go village. I don't tell you say I don't go go village. They don't want me say make I no near anything 10 meters from village. Make I no near there. If I fail this 5th exam, say make I no near there. They don't disown me.
Huh?
Yes now.
But this one is the 6th one where you fail now.
That which guy the 6th one? Now 5. Now you follow me fail am.
I beg, come out here. See you. Since when you come this school, you don't pass one exam. Talk to me.
What do you mean you don't pass one exam? Now you they follow me, they pass the exam. I mean they follow me. I don't pass the exam. This one na the 5th one. Wait. Now the 5th one.
Now the 6th one, I beg.
And it then be 6th one. That who they call you?
I don't know. The new number.
Pick 'em. Go no.
Hello. Now who be this?
Barrister Daniela Daniels, our own barrister.
I beg, go and follow the yarn. And why you they call me barrister?
Okay. See, it is good that you are trying to make it a secret, because you can never tell who is who. And I know, it is too early for the world to know that you are now a barrister.
I beg, e be like say you don't talk too much, Oga. Who you be?
Okay, I will tell you who I am. I am your king. Igwe Omelora 1.
Oh, my king. Greetings to you. May your legal monarchical mantle of leadership reign perpetually.
Speak it. Speak it. I'm enjoying your grammar. Speak it very well. I know you will not insult your king. I know it is a good thing you are telling me.
No. It can never be a derogatory word, my king. I lack the moral and legal jurisdiction to pronounce abusive verdict on you, my king. The prestigious custodian of our cultural and traditional heritage. My king. It would be so despicable of me to malign you. I am a legal counsel and I understand very well the nitty-gritty of what you represent.
He say, Amen. Thank you for your prayer, my daughter.
My king, even though you misunderstood my legal presentation, I will not bother you with further elucidation.
Amen. I say amen to your prayer all the time. Let's begin. Let's come home. Kedikime.
At the moment, my king.
We have been waiting for your arrival to celebrate you in a very, very big way. You see, from the grammar flowing from your mouth like ever-flowing river. You know, I do not need any prophet to tell me that we have a great barrister in our land. Yes, I will send the royal convoy to come and pick you because you deserve it.
I am so humbled by your great generosity, my king. Thank you very much.
Just send me the address, then they will come and pick you in a very big way. They will know that you are from this land, the land that respects you and appreciates your growth.
I will right away. Thank you so much, my king. Thank you. Bye.
All right. Thank you so much.
Ha! 419! So you be 419?
What did just happen?
So you mean say I dey live with your girl, I no know your girl. Now you dey blow this kind of grammar.
Hey! Ha! Odenibo, here comes the new Dada the law.
Royal convoy.
Community barrister.
Royal guard.
Koboko of illegality.
Hallucination, immenfelation.
Hey! Oh! Chai!
Lubrata.
This Gary go get new taste for my mouth.
Lubrata. I no say you carry this guy for this your brain.
Ah!
Igwe, here comes the Masum Sumpatatum Sakota.
We don't finish the Gary now.
So now you're happy. You want to leave me here and go to the village?
Says who?
I says you.
Says who?
It is I know hear what you and Igwe discuss.
If you hear what me and Igwe discuss, waiting come bad for the discussion.
Waiting come bad for the discussion. You want to leave me and go to the village? Just leave your guy, your main guy. Just leave him here, just like that. Even as I don't tell you how my parents doesn't even want to see me. They don't want to hear about me. And you want to leave me here and travel? It makes sense.
Come there, you say I go leave you here travel. You dey go with me now.
Dada, no let me smile when you say I no go again now. Serious. Don't play with me.
But I no fit leave you behind here now. I go over miss you. Besides, you get one new plan where I get. One new say you will help me execute.
Are you serious?
Hey, of course now.
I trust you. I trust. So you mean say I go enter royal convoy with you?
Come here, you dey go.
Tell me the plan. Just tell me anything. Let me know how I can come in. Just tell me.
Papa, this one no be matter of make you see how you want to come in. You are in already. In fact, you did the map.
And they inside this game.
Bobs, if you hear this new plan, you know say here no empty at all.
I trust you.
Hey!
I trust you. I help you back.
Now you remember to help me.
Yes, so I have to.
When you did there, they keep face like old woman where your husband lives. I beg you, come on here.
I think say you don't leave.
Would you?
Yes, sir.
You and others will go with Ichemezi and Chira. I have already told the barrister that a convoy from the palace is coming to pick her up. You have the address?
Yes, Your Highness.
Okay, go and bring our bride.
My Highness.
Yes.
Please, you have to accompany the guards. Let me stay back with the king.
That's all right.
No problem.
Let's go. Mind your speed.
Let's go.
They are always boring. I wonder what they have become.
Who is the cop? I am trying to establish a telecommunication channel with the species in whose natural laboratory I was first formed.
Dada. If you want make this our plan work, you go reduce this grammar. You go reduce the grammar. Now me you dey talk to, no be you never reach village. Now me Odenibo.
Wait till they worry you. Wait till they worry you. You know, say they try very hard so that I can they very used to all these big grammar way a lot of people they use. You supposed to understand now.
You go take a busy now. You okay? You say make I begin the right side. You dey blow grammar where I don't even know the beginning from the end. What did I want to write inside?
Who tell you say make you write anything where they correct here? Write anything where you like. Nobody go read that now. Be one show person. The writer like that just pretend like say you dey listen to wetin I dey talk. They write. That's all.
Okay. Nobody go even understand what they write.
Wetin concern them?
So as they blow the grammar, now I go just look your Igwe face. They draw in beard, then draw in brown teeth. As they laugh in
Nekwanga. If they catch you, now jail you they go straight. So as you dey move yourself, just remember say I no be real lawyer.
Na fake. Na true. Na true.
Hey, my mama don't they call me back.
Pick up.
Hello, sweet mother.
Dada, my daughter. How are you? See, I've been calling you since, but you refuse to pick my calls.
I sincerely apologize for that incident. It was not intentional. Actually, it was due to circumstances that were really beyond my power and control. Not to worry, I will soon join you in the village in a very colorful and glorious manner.
Dada, why you there? This Ababa English, Ababa grammar you're speaking for me. Take it easy now. That is how Mazibe's daughter was speaking too much grammar and he ran mad. I don't want you to go mad. Why Jeje? You don't know why you're wearing us.
Mama, don't compare me with Mazibe's daughter now. My case is different. Mazibe's daughter read geography of all subjects. Geography. You know what in that geography be? That course fits scatter person head. So my case not be the same thing with him own.
When are you coming back?
So, when are you coming back?
Soon. Maybe in a few hours. I am waiting for the Igwe's convoy. His royal convoy. It's supposed to convey me back to the village. So as soon as he comes, Mama, you will witness my glorious entrance.
Hey! Royal Guinea. I knew it. There's this rumor that has been going on that the king said he's going to give you a chieftaincy title. Oh, Manu, go and collect it. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, you know what? We're at home here waiting for you. I'm going to cook your favorite. Inata, with your title in Nolan. Well, was okay? Hey, all right, Mom. I'm going to take care of yourself. Until we see. Bye. Chalo. Mano, barrister campus. Bye-bye.
You can't even tell her that I'm here.
Tell her what? Why didn't you shout hello, call me at the background? So you expected me to give you the phone to talk to as what? As my husband? As my husband or what? My friend Biko. One more thing. You see that money you collected on her behalf for people registering their cases for her to handle when she's eventually back? Keep that money safe. She'll be needing it when she comes back.
Need the guinea?
The money now.
Mama, she better go and make her own money. If she come back, she should go and charge them and make her own money. You see the one I've collected is my own. Clear.
Look on one. Yeah, put that plate back. Put that plate back. You collect is your own. Another person keeps is your own.
Mama, I did not rob anybody. I did not steal. If she comes, she should go and make her own money.
Do you know the painful thing? Big robbers are easier to identify. Man, if robbers are your size, I don't chota for chota. Hi.
Wow. The power barrister operating in this town. Wow. The voice of the voiceless. Wow. Defender of the defenseless. Wow. And the messiah of the oppressed. Wow. I am here to cleanse this town of impunity, of lawlessness, and of evil activities. And I am going to start from here. Now let me put it to you that you do not have the right to extort money from anybody doing their daily work.